Hi guys, Matthias here from Molnify. Today I want to show you something really cool. I found this video on Leila Gharani's YouTube page. She has a YouTube page where she teaches Excel and it's really good, so you should really check it out. It has a ton of great tips. Anyways, in this video she showed how you could type in numbers and get back the numbers in text form. And it's a really long Excel formula that does this. It looks like this. It consists mostly of choose and left and text and mid and so on, and it will turn your numbers into text. So I figured I'd try to get this up to Molnify and see how it performs. So here I've created an input by coloring this cell green and an output here with the really big formula in it. I turned it to an output by coloring it red. I also have some metadata over here. So I'll just go ahead and upload my file to Molnify like this. Take it from Excel, drag it, and then drop it, and then upload it. So now the app is done, and once I get here, I can type an amount. So let's type 10. And look at that. It says 10. If I type another 0, it says 100. Or 1000. Or maybe 12,345. Yeah, you can type any number here and it will spell it out like this. Really cool. So make sure you check out Leila's channel, and if you would like to try to upload your own files to Molnify, go to app.molnify.com, register a free trial account. It's free for 30 days. Thanks for watching and bye bye.